Hello guys, one more video here in my channel with my husband that is a Filipino. If you're not yet subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for our videos. Try to watch so you can understand the story behind our channel. So guys, today I'm here uh, in my kitchen. I washed some dishes and today I didn't eat yet. So I ate, but I mean, I didn't eat something like, that can say that is a food. So I think I'm gonna make couscous because last night, like the past few days, I'm so anxious, sharing you the truth. Guys, it's that bad, this light, because look, I look like I don't know. It's like the image is not so good. I'm too anxious, so it's being hard for me to wait these days. You know, guys, that especially when something important you happen in your life, it seems that the days don't pass fast for me. It's like an eternity to wait for Rico, who's not watching us and don't know, but my Filipino husband, he work in the ship, also me, but this time I didn't attend my contract. I didn't go. Romarico, that's my husband, he went alone to the ship, and basically it's missing today 18 days for him to come. I'm doing some videos showing you how I'm preparing everything and how I'm leaving the house, because the house, it's some decor that I want to arrange before he arrives. So when he arrives, he'll be happy with some changes. I like to make surprises, so for sure he'll like. No, for sure he'll like when he arrives some changes that I did. We're just planning our life. We don't know what's gonna be our future, as I told you the last vlog, the last video that I said about why I'm so worried to my husband and why I want him come fast, because it's like, I'm not telling bad to you guys, never, but I'm just sharing that I need him safe and sound here in my place and beside me, because in some way we are what we have, that is, we have each other. So actually this is my family. Of course I want to keep them safe, and I want to keep them, that is him, of course, my husband, my dogs, my auntie, I want to keep them beside me and safe. That's why I told you before that I need that him come fast. Sometimes I'm also anxious because we don't know what will happen. Things are too much, strange in the world, that I think Jesus is coming back. So in some way we cannot stop our lives. We have some plans ahead, and we want to know if these things will really happen. Our plans will really happen, because we have a lot of things to solve and a lot of things still to do in our life that needs money. But unfortunately, as I say, here in Brazil sometimes it's hard, because it's really expensive to live here, and it's like, it's hard to get used to don't have access to anything. I don't know, but if you know, but we work in Europe, and in Europe it's like you can really buy the things. It's like the basic for one European. For us it's too much. For us it's like maybe triple the price. So for Brazilians it's very hard to buy things. It's like sometimes even the shoes we have to make in the credit card, and we have to make like division, like 10 times. For example, the shoes is like 500, reais. We have to make 10 times of 5 times of 100 just to buy one shoes, you know. So sometimes it seems very difficult for Brazilian to work, to live here. That's why also many Brazilians are looking for the life on board and to work abroad, because I know that many Filipinos work abroad because of the situation. As well, Brazil people more days, more now, are looking for new opportunities outside the country. For you see how the situation of Brazil, it's been long time, not only this government, but mostly of the government, they are corrupt, they are like they have corruption. So for sure that's why all the Brazilians prices are so high. So we cannot we cannot follow with the you know, with the salary, and we cannot follow buying the things and buying the stuffs here in our country, because unfortunately the price is, it's really worse, it's like too high. So basically, me and Romarico, we're planning what we're gonna do, what's gonna be the next move. As I say to you, I'm out of the ship for now, and I refuse to embark. So my date was like cancelled, and they didn't give me a new date. Okay, so this is my case now. Basically, my case is that I'm jobless, but God's good. I believe that He will provide, and I believe that we're gonna have a good decision to find out what we're gonna do in our lives. Of course, I don't believe that, telling you serious, I don't believe that the company will really exclude me or like totally don't give me a chance to come back. I don't think so. Why? First, because they need a Brazilian. Okay. For the Brazilian season and all these things that I already shared with you. And second, because I didn't do nothing wrong. I had my date. But unfortunately, because I have some things to do in the embassy, as you know, I took my Portuguese passport and I need really to, you know, it's very hard to get an appointment in the embassies. I'm making my couscous. I already teach you here how to make this couscous, but this one I will make Romarico try. When he arrive home, I will make the couscous and he will be addicted or not. It's just, I'm only wondering that he will be addicted. It's basically corn flour, and then we make it wet like this. Then I mix and I make it wet. Now I will put some salt. Sorry to cut the, I just teach you. I put some salt because without salt is no good. And I mix it again, and then I put 1 minute in the microwave. There is a specific pan for this, because in the north of Brazil they really eat this a lot, so they make for the entire family. And this one become like a famous there, and they cook for all the family, and they have a big one pan like this. I will put here the picture of this couscouseira we call. And now I will cook my egg. I will make like a scrambled egg, because this is gonna be my dinner today. It's a long time I don't eat couscous and I miss. I will also cook some chicken for the dogs, like only chicken breast. Maybe I make chicken for me also. So guys, basically what I was telling you, I believe that God have a plan for us. Maybe it's not the ship, we don't know, because the ship it's like this. The ship it's like you keep going, and then you keep spending, and then you want more and more, because the human never satisfied. So for example, I buy an apartment, now I want to buy a house, now I want to buy a car, now I change my car, now I change this, now this time I will pay all the fees, all the, you understand, it's like never end. So we be like a slave of the cruise ship. It's like, I know now is missing for this, now is missing money for this. So never stop, you know, and we need to make a decision sometimes. It's like maybe this is a sign from God that we must to try to check another side of point of view of the real life, that we cannot stay forever in the ship. Okay, so this time that I went home, maybe it was like it was needed. I already informed you why. It's like I really don't feel to come back to the ship that time, and also even now I don't feel that much, especially in my how can I say, in my position, that is a bar, and I don't want to work anymore in the bar and these things. I prefer to work like in the office. I know how to, you know, I have a YouTube channel 8 years. I edit all my videos. I make my website. I make the website of my agency. I open an online store, and I don't pay no one to do. I do by myself. And out of the design, it's like logo, it's like web design. Really, I know how to do, not the advanced one, but you know, for me it's very easy, these things. I work with PowerPoint, with Word, with Microsoft Office long time in my life, because when I was like very young, I have a computer that my mom gave me as a gift, one computer, and at that time I already even opened, you know, my computer to fix it inside. So it's like I know many things about computer, and for me it's not news, you know. It's like it's very easy for me to talk. It's very easy for me to make to fix things in the computer. It's very easy for me. So it's nothing that you don't have experience. No, I have a lot of experience. I just don't work with it before, but I always did. Okay, so I make my fried chicken, because long time I don't eat any protein. It's like I'm not really eating protein, and then I go to the ship. No, I go to the gym and I don't eat protein. So I think there is no use, no. And I cook some chicken for the dogs with rice, a little bit of rice only. So guys, it's like basically this, and it's not anymore my Vanessa working on board, especially to do the, I don't know how these people can continue to work in the ships, like when you are already old, only because you really need. Otherwise, I don't see myself old being a bartender, you know. I don't see myself. That is the time you want to, and then I'm not that old, I'm just young, but I don't see myself like doing that job, because this one look like for new people, like young people, not my age that is already 30. So I really don't feel to you know, to work on board, especially in this position. And so basically, if I don't get this job, that I don't know what this company are thinking, I don't know why like this, I don't know. It's like sometimes I don't think that they will give the job to my husband and they do not give me, but everything is possible. So we have some plan B that is not yet confirmed, and of course we will not tell this now because need time. Supposed to be I'm cooking tinola today, but this I make for the next video. So next video be tinola made by Priscilla. So guys, the couscous is like this, look, and then I make with I eat with egg. Supposed to be, if I have butter, it's gonna be better, because the butter, it's like make some taste that I don't have. So maybe I put only like Parmesan cheese. It's good also. So guys, basically this is like, we don't know yet what will happen. Romarico is coming and I hope he comes soon, so we can already decide our life, what we're gonna do and what's gonna be the next plan, because many things are involved, and these things is like really mess. you know, our life, our plans and everything. But I hope that everything will be fine. Of course, we're gonna keep vlogging here, and I hope you enjoy the vlog, and it's like you continuous following us, because now is with the presence of Rico. Guys, try to make this couscous home. It's really good. It's really good. I teach it. I don't know when I teach, but I'll teach in some vlog. It's the best. So guys, basically is this. This video is only for Taka talking, and we're gonna talk soon. Few days more. Rico is already there, so we can talk about our plans ahead. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and keep following us, please. I think the vlogs will be more interesting, because while we are living, we are vlogging. Not like now that only with me here. I think you guys don't like. Guys, thank you so much for following us. We reached already the 21K. We're gonna have the video most asked here in the channel, request. That is the video of our relationship and how we meet, the day we meet, okay? So thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and see you next video.